on it. Much better. A lot of air. More distance. Sideways. Then up and down. And then crisscross. And it's much more even, but still. Anyway, that's it, because we're out of paint. We've got a little bit of touch up left just in case. On to lacquer. Might come out alright. We'll see. Got no pearl yet. I put quite a reasonable coat on. Seems to be orange peel. I don't think that matters just now. Let's mix up some clear. Reflection, not thin, reflection. It's covered okay. 2.5 litres in total. 17 degrees Celsius. Not many bugs. Fair bit of wind, too much really, but cloudy. Which is better than direct sun, I suppose. Let's mix some clear.